Hello students. So today I will tell you about the topic number of ions per mole of the complex in the solution. So generally question can be asked in the form of how many ions per mole of the complex in the solution. So here I have written some examples. So in this case, in the first complex, so how we predict the number of ions per mole if the complex is given in the question. So simply this is all depend upon the mode of ionization. Mode of ionization. How the complex is ionized. So in the first case, in this complex is ionized in this form. It gives positive part of the coordination sphere AgNH3 whole twice positive, and the species which is present in ionization sphere. So simply we write in this way Cl negative. So 1 mole of this part and 1 mole of Cl negative ion. So total number of moles that is equals to 2 mole. So 2 mole of ions present in the complex in the solution. And in the second complex, here two complexes are given and both are written in coordination sphere. So the mode of ionization is very simple in this complex, that is Pt NH3 whole 4, that is in positive part, and rest the remaining complex, that is Pt Cl4, and that is in negative part. So here again 1 mole for this part and 1 mole of this part. So overall that is equals to 2 mole. That is number of ions per mole, that is 2 mole. Now move to next, that is the complex where the ionization sphere is present and coordination sphere, and in coordination sphere there are different ligands, but the ligands which are present in the coordination sphere, they are not ionized, and simply we write the mode of ionization in this way: COCl NH3 whole 5 and 2 positive plus twice of Cl negative. So if we count this as a whole, it is 1 mole, and for chloride Cl negative ion it is 2 mole, and after adding these two, that is equals to 3 mole. And then next example is K2PtCl6. Here cationic part is written in this way and anionic part. So first we write the mode of ionization for this complex is 2K positive for the first part, because potassium ion has plus 1 charge, positive charge, and twice moles of this, so 2K positive, and the rest part is PtCl6 and 2K positive, that side is 2 negative, and this is the charge balancing, and the number of moles that is equals to 2 mole for cationic part and 1 mole for anionic part. As a whole that is equals to 3 mole. So in this way we can easily predict the number of ions per mole of the complex present in the solution. So it is all depend upon the mode of ionization. So now I have written two examples more, that is PtCl3NH3 whole 5 and in ionization sphere Cl3. So if we ionize this complex, the mode of ionization, that is equals to PtCl NH3 whole 5 3 plus plus thrice of Cl negative. So for this 1 mole of positive part and 3 moles of this, so overall that is equals to 4 mole. Now finally in this complex, simply I have written the species in the coordination sphere only, Cl4 NH3 whole 2, coordination number 4, and there is no species present in the ionization sphere. That's why this complex do not ionize, and it is not ionized. सो 0 मोल। तो आपको यही ध्यान रखना है कि मोड ऑफ आयनाइजेशन के लिए कॉम्प्लेक्स में, कोऑर्डिनेशन स्फीयर में और आयनाइजेशन स्फीयर में, दोनों में प्रेजेंट होनी चाहिए स्पीशीज, तभी वो आपका आयनाइजेशन करेगा। कुछ इस तरीके के एग्जांपल में जो आपका क्वेश्चन अगर आता है कि हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ आयंस पर मोल ऑफ द कॉम्प्लेक्स इन द सॉल्यूशन कैन आयनाइज, देन द आंसर इज 0 मोल, इट इज नॉट आयनाइज्ड। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट टुडेज टॉपिक। थैंक यू।